Hi, my name is Navdeep. I'm from Australia. I help speakers get a gig every 3 days. Yeah, the Mindvalley AI Summit, I really enjoyed it, specifically because there's so much information out there, but I feel like when people share it online, they keep it way too general. And there's all this thinking time that needs to be done of how does it apply to your specific niche, your specific business. And as a business owner myself, I already have a packed schedule, client delivery, sales, marketing, and the fact that Mindvalley was able to make it hyper-specific, hyper-relevant, and hyper-actionable, it saved me so much time, and it actually made it more manageable for me to use AI today, not one day in the future. Make sense? Yeah, there was one talk that really impacted me specifically from the AI Summit. His name was Dominic, Mr. Grateful, and he talked about how he went to 100,000 followers in 30 days, and it took us day by day by day by day. And to actually see the behind the scenes, it really impacted me. I can definitely see myself in the next 7 days. I'll be using specifically in terms of my content. It's a buzzword. You can use AI for content. But the way that they actually walked us through, this is how you use it for your niche, this is how you use it for your brand, this is how you use it for your clientele. This is what I'll be using soon. How to use AI to increase my sales whilst decreasing the amount of time I need to nurture leads before making a aligned conversion. I really like the intimacy of the Mindvalley AI Summit. It was a surprise. I wasn't expecting it, and I would go again.